So here we are seeing the problem of binary communication system, which is consisting of a transmitter that send two symbols, symbol 1 and symbol 0, okay, over a channel to a receiver, okay. So at the receiver side, we will be receiving either 1 or 0, okay. So here, if the in the channel, if there is any error, okay, in the channel, if it causes error, that time when we send the value 1, we will be receiving the value 0. So and vice versa, if you send the value 0 and we will be receiving value 1, like that, okay. So we will be having errors in the the receiver side, okay, because of the errors in the channel, okay. So here, since we are sending two symbols, no, symbol 0 or symbol 1, okay, how do we denote? We denote this with bi is used to denote the symbols at the transmission channel, before the transmission, okay. So b1 is the channel, that is the symbol before the channel is 1, okay. So b2 is the symbol before the channel is 0, okay. We are sending two values, no, 1 and 0. b1 indicates we are sending the value 1, b2 indicates we are sending the value 0 before the channel, okay. And similarly at the receiver side, we will be having a1 and a2, okay. So a1 is what? A1 is nothing but we will be receiving value 1, okay. Means what is the symbol we will be getting after the channel is 1, a2 is the symbol after the channel is 0, okay. So b1 b2 are the symbols before the channel, and a1 a2 are the symbols after the channel, okay. And here, what is given? It is given that what is the probability of sending 1 at the receiver side? What is the probability of transmitting 1 will be given as 0.6. What is the probability of transmitting 0 is given as 0.4. Okay. And it is also given that, okay, what is the probability of this one? This conditional probability is also given. What is the conditional probability here? What is the probability of receiving 1 when one is transmitted? Okay. What is the probability of a1? What is a1? A1 is for receiving 1. Okay. A1 is for 1, and this is the symbol after the channel is 0. This is the symbol before the channel is 1. This is the symbol before the channel is 0. Okay. So we are transmitting 1 and 0. We are receiving 1 and 0. Okay. So what is probability of A1 given B1? A1 given B1 is that we are probability of receiving 1 when 1 is transmitted. Okay. It is given as, this is also given in the problem, 0.9. Okay. Similarly, what is the probability of receiving 0 when 0 is transmitted is given as probability of A2 given B2. And what is here? Probability of A2 given B1, that is probability of receiving 0 when 1 is transmitted, okay. So when 1 is transmitted, but what is that we are getting? 0. So there is a error, okay. So here the probability is given as 0.1. Similarly, the probability of 1 is received when 0 is transmitted is given as probability of A1 given B2. Okay, so what is this value? Its value is also given as 0.1, whereas this value is 0.9. This value is also given, its value is equal to 0.9. Okay, so these are the values given. Okay, so see here, in the problem, you just go through this problem so that you can come to know what are the values are given here. You see here, the values are given as probability of A1 given B1 is equal to 0.9, probability of A2 given B1 is equal to 0.1, probability of A1 given B2 is equal to 0.1, and probability of A2 given B2 is equal to 0.9. What is A1? A1 is receiving 1, A2 is receiving 0, B1 is transmitting 1, B2 is transmitting 0. Okay, so here this is the means when we are transmitting correctly, what is that value we are getting? 0.9. So due to error, what is the probability we are getting? With the error, we are getting probability is 0.1. Okay, now if you add these two, probability of A1 plus probability of A1 given B1 plus probability of A2 given B1. If we add these two, we will be getting 1. Similarly, if we add these two also, we will be getting 1. Okay. So what is the question here is, we have to find out the posterior probabilities. What are the posterior probabilities here? The probability of B1 given A1, probability of B2 given A2, probability of B1 given A2, probability of B2 given A1. Okay, just reverse of this. Probability of B1 given A1, probability of B2 given A1, probability of B1 given A2, probability of B2 given A2. Okay, these are the posterior probabilities we have to find out. Okay, so to do that, we will be using Bayes theorem as well as we are using total probability to find out this. Okay, so we uh, first we use this total probability. So what is the total probability? Is given as probability of A is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to n, probability of A given Bn into probability of Bn. This is the formula of total probability. And how many symbols we have at the input side? Since we have only two symbols, this summation is from 1 to 2 mark. So this summation is from 1 to 2. So just expand the summation. Find out probability of A1. Probability of A1 is given as probability of A1 given B1 into probability of B1 plus probability of A1 given B2 into probability of B2. Here, in the place of A, we will be substituting A1, whereas this n value is varying from 1 to 2. Okay, so that we will be finding what is probability of A1. Probability of A1 is equal to 0.58. Similarly, just expand this equation for A2. So in the place of A, substitute A2, okay, and this summation is from n is equal to 1 to 2. Expand this, so we will be getting what is the formula for probability of A2, okay, and all these values are given in the problem. Probability of A2 given B1 is 0.1, probability of B1 is 0.8, probability of A2 given B2 is 0.9, whereas probability of B2 is 0.4. These values are given in the problem. If we substitute those values, we will be getting what is probability of A2. Okay, so what is our first step? Our first step is to find out what is probability of A1 and A2 using total probability. Then use Bayes theorem here. So what is Bayes theorem? Probability of Bn given A, probability of Bn given A is equal to probability of A given Bn into probability of Bn divided by probability of A. This is the Bayes theorem. Okay. Now what is our interest? Our interest is to find out what is probability of B1 given A1. What is probability of B1 given A1? So what is the formula? Can you tell me? Hello students. What is the probability of B1 given A1? Can you tell me what is the formula? Anybody? Hello students. Can you tell me what is the formula of B1 given A1? Okay. So the posterior probability of B1 given A1 is given as probability of A1 given B1 into probability of B1 divided by probability of A1. Probability of A1 we already found in the previous step, and these two values are given in the problem. Substitute that, so that we'll be getting the probability value is equal to 0.931. Okay, and similarly probability of B2 given A2. Probability of B2 given A2 is equal to, reverse these two, that is probability of A2 given B2 into probability of B2. What do you have here? A2, no? Probability of A2. Probability of A2 given B2 into probability of B2 divided by probability of A2. Okay, and probability of A2 we have found in the previous step. We substitute that, and these two values are given in the problem again. Okay, so substitute those values. We got what is that probability of B2 given A2 will be 0.857. Okay, so these two, probability of B1 given A1, probability of B2 given A2 means what? So what is the probability of transmitting one given that one will be received? Okay, what is probability of B1 given A1 mark? What is the probability that transmitting one given that one is received? Okay, what is the probability that transmitting 0 so that 0 will be received? Okay, 0 is received. Okay, so these two gives us the correct transmission probability. Okay, so these two will give us correct transmission probability, and similarly we have to find out error transmission. Okay, error transmission is given like this: probability of B1 given A2. So reverse this two one, probability of A2 given B1 into probability of B1 divided by, what do you get in the denominator? Probability of A2. Okay, so substitute those values, we will be getting 0.143. Similarly, probability of B2 given A1 is given as probability of A1 given B2 into probability of B2 divided by probability of A1. Okay, substitute the corresponding values, we will be getting 0.069. So these two are the probabilities of error transmission, whereas those two probabilities, whatever we have discussed in the previous step, that is probability of B1 given A1, probability of B2 given A2, or the correct transmission.